Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting a survey now. Sign into Google, open Forms, and pick blank or a template so you don't waste time designing from scratch. Name the form and write a concise description that tells respondents why their answers matter. Add your first question, choose the type, multiple choice, short answer, or linear scale, and mark it required when necessary. Once done, turn on collect emails only if you need respondent tracking, and save progress as you go. Now design the core of your survey. Craft clear questions and pick the right type so responses are consistent and analyzable. Add sections to break longer surveys into chunks and use go to section based on answer to create branching logic that personalizes the path. Apply response validation for numeric or text rules and include short descriptions or images when a question needs context. Make sure to preview the flow so navigation and logic behave as expected before you share. Finish by distributing and monitoring results. Click Send to copy a link, email participants, embed on a site, or generate a QR code for in-person collection. Once responses arrive, open the Responses tab and link to Google Sheets for filtering, pivoting, or charting. If something goes wrong, test the form on mobile and another browser, confirm sharing permissions, and clear cache. If logic breaks, duplicate the form and isolate the failing section. Finally,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.